Open the packing case. Main unit, power adapter, power line, heat insulated pad, heating pad, temperature sensor, certificate of approval, user manual. Connect power supply and observe whether the indicator light is always on blue. If it is always on, connect the power adapter. Turn on the power switch. At this time, the alarm information is displayed on the interface. Place the heat insulated pad under the heating pad. Connect the heating pad. Connect the temperature probe. Insert the temperature probe inserted into the animal anus. Click Set on the main interface to enter the setting interface. The first line is the button prompt tone switch. The second line is backlight, sets the background brightness. The third line sets the alarm prompt tone. You can choose to close them all or open all. Click the lower left button, 45 degrees Celsius, to set the temperature of the corresponding channel, such as 37.5 degrees Celsius. Then click Start to start heating. The temperature set for CH1 corresponds to CH1 channel, and the temperature set for CH2 corresponds to CH2 channel. When connecting the heating pad, align the bulge on the joint at the gap on the main unit. Pay attention to the positive and negative poles when connecting the temperature sensor.